Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have 2010 GL, and the transmission control unit was replaced because the customer say, or the technician say, that the car doesn't move. Left hand at all, it doesn't move. I'm not sure why. Is there any code for it or anything? But let us try to diagnose this car and see what happened. I'm gonna run a complete diagnosis. Check engine light is still on, but at least the car is supposed to move if we have oil pressure and if everything is okay. Okay, I'm gonna make auto scan for the whole car, and then from there, usually when you put a used valve body, you must unlock it. This is the electronic transmission control unit. It have 10 faults. ESB 1 fault, DME have 2 faults. Let us first scan the whole car and see what happened. I'm not sure about the history of the car, what's going on, but at least 15%. We are 23%. By the way, if you have a transmission control module that is brand new, you cannot read right, I believe. If its transmission control module is brand new, it may need a data already. The programming or unlocking the transmission is only deal with the security and DAS. It's not like put everything in it. Everything gonna be as it is, and as long as it's the same transmission, the coding and everything, most of the time, especially on the shift control module, if the shift control module is brand new from the dealer, software must be in, so you only work with the security section. You see, now we are 47% and we have 23 computers. There is a noise, a humming noise, like that is like a power steering pump. Sometimes if the oil is not enough, also the car cannot move. We are 56%, 28 computers. And this car, it have a push button, and you can take this one out and you can put the key in. It will work normally. AAC automatic air condition. AAC automatic air condition. Okay, so now let me see the report. What it say? We have engine 10 on the transmission code, ESB1 cluster 1. Let me go to the line where we can analyze the stuff. You're gonna have a line. After the line, yeah, from here, now we're gonna have a code detail. Diagnosis of tumble flap inlet, that's not a problem. No communication received from the transmission, that's U code. Here, start enabled drive authorization system has not been issued. No communication message from the control module. This one is being disconnected and connected. All this was before. Okay. ABS also when disconnected. Okay, it says instrument cluster transmission is not before. ISM module communications transmission control module is faulty. SAM signal, component signal. You know, we have a lot of codes. So we are going now to delete all this code and see what is going to come back again. Escape. Take the ignition. This engine must not run. Ignition is on. And quick erase. You are with me here. You follow me, hope, Mr. Max. Okay. Now everything is finished. I want to see transmission still have 5 volts. I mean 5 codes, trouble code. Now I'm going to the transmission itself. Transmission control module. No message received from the control unit NZ or one or more from the control module and steering column. Steering. No message is received from the control electronic ignition switch. We have a communication issue here. You see, we have a communication issue. Okay, let me start the car. See the check engine light gone. But I don't supposed to get all this message. Control module A80 intelligent servo module sum is for direct connect current. No CAN message received from the control N73 ignition switch. Steering column module. Wow. Okay. Let me see something. Car must not run. I'm gonna do it again. Ignition is on. Let me clear all these codes. Switch ignition off and turn it on back after 10 seconds. Turn it off. No fault detected. Okay. Okay. Oh, why? Because ignition was on. Now let me see now. After 10 seconds. Clear it. Switch ignition off and turn it back after 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ignition is on. You see, like, we have a lot of no communication. That's very bad. No message received from control unit engine. We have communication line issue here. Escape. Control unit. Learning drive authorization, just to be sure, but transmission control unit is activated. So say okay. It's no. Let me try to activate it. Okay. Is the ignition on or off? Ignition is on. Transport protection is detached. Control module electronic is personalized. Will you like to assign the control unit electronic? Is yes. Say yes. As soon as, okay, let me see again. That one is already done, but those code, you see transmission control is activated, no. Personalized is detached. Control unit electronic transmission is personalized. Would you like to personalize the control module electronic transmission control unit once again? No. Will you like to activate control module electronic? Say yes. Control module electronic control is activated. Control module electronic transmission is firmly assigned to the vehicle and cannot be personalized any longer. It's locked in now. Okay. Say okay. Turn ignition off. Wait for 10 seconds. Turn the ignition on. Actually, this one, it will become automatically. So let me read it again. You see everything. Transmission activated. Transmission module personalized. Transport protection detached. Say okay. Now everything good. I don't need this one. It's done already. Escape. Let me see if ignition is on. I just want to do that reline of the shift. Start. It's P now. The requisition, okay. Let me see what the control unit setting. Please wait. Let's do it again. Ignition is on. Okay. P. Now it's P. Okay. You know, it is impossible. It's not coming the right way that we need it. You see, everything is work, but things are very impossible. Let me put it in park. I'm going to try to see if I can do it again. I believe I don't need it. Start. It's in park. It's perform. It's impossible. Why? Because the signal, we have some signal issue with the car. But let me start it now and see if the car gonna move. You see, nothing. Check the, oh, you see, now it start moving. You see, maybe there is no oil. You see, it start moving. Maybe there is no oil. I drove it. I'm gonna drive it. Maybe they need oil. I'm gonna drive a little bit as you see it. Maybe the car need oil. Let me put this window because I have no, the sun is messing me up. So I'm gonna open the door. I close this side. Maybe they need to check their oil. Gonna drive a little bit and then see what's gonna happen. I don't want to get tickets, so I'm gonna stop. Okay. One speed. Nothing changed. So I gotta go make a U-turn. Let them check the oil and all this first. Let me see if I can go back up. This is reverse. Oh. See this reverse, right? Come on, man. I need reverse. Come on, don't tell me that. is drive, park, reverse. What do you need from reverse? Give gas, car only go front. Checking the light, come on. I give gas. It's going slowly. I don't know what is there. So they only change let me go inside, and then we take it from there. It looks like this transmission need a complete overhaul. Data line have to be adjusted. No rear and no reverse. If there is no reverse, that means there is something else wrong. Let me go park the car because there is no reverse. So let me move these things. Everything is front. Okay, look here. Reverse, also front. Park is good. Let me see what code I have. Trouble code. Lot. Communication line. Component Y38 select range sensor is not learned. But I try to learn it, it doesn't go clear. All the code. There is a pulsability problem. When I try to learn it, normally you're supposed to just turn the key on and it's supposed to learn. Okay, now the same thing. Okay, let me try to do it one more. Okay, I gotta go back. Trouble code. Go back, trouble code, a lot of code here. No card message received from the servo motor. So there is a communication issues, a line communication line is down. This one have to be taken care of it first. You cannot relearn this. You cannot relearn the transmission because he need to see the communication. Okay, let me do that one, a special function. Ignition is on. Car is in park already. Say start. Is in park. Okay. Now you see we have impossibility problem because of the data. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. And give us an update what need to be done or what happened. But it looked like the transmission itself is no good. Thank you, please, and subscribe, share.